We want to have real impact. As Penpot, whenever we publish something, it is going to be solid. We're going to do 4 quick presentations, so you enjoy things that we've been building and we are building now and we're going to build.
So the new render affects visuals and the way you work with the application. I'm gonna get a little bit techie on this, and we decided to use the Skia library, which is a 2D graphics open source library, and we are also using WebAssembly near native performance directly on the browser. So you can see that it has a better quality, it's way smoother, it works faster as well. So one of the demanded features that we had was text to path, so you can directly build your own icons on Penpot. So yeah, I can see some excitement here. Yeah, and we will bring also the so demanded background blur filter. We are going to publish a public beta version, so you can all test it out.
Penpot takes a very complex representation, code, and it funnels it into pixels, which is what bystanders may think design is about. You know that there's much more depth to design. Looks like pixels, but emerges in the mind as emotions and understanding. Everybody here is actually computing many things, understanding many things out of a design like that are not explicitly written down in the code. And that is our approach to machine learning, to AI programs, a similar understanding to what you have, so that they can operate on the document at a semantic level. So we'll have this powerful representation, we'll have machine learning programs which are not LLMs working on it. I mean, that's where it really gets exciting, right? But we will also have the power of LLMs insofar as they are helpful. LLMs are limited in many ways, but we can help them understand the structure of things. We are doing that by presenting to you today the new Penpot MCP server. This is using Penpot API plugins I have access to, which gives it a lot of granular control over Penpot, allows you to do design to design, not just design to code.
I'm trying to explain to you the small things that we make to make your lives easier as Penpot users. These are the small details, the small tricks that make Penpot smoother, faster, and more enjoyable to use. Most of these ideas don't come from us, come from you, from our users. So this is a user-driven approach that helps us make steady and meaningful progress. Because great experiences aren't only built by adding features, they are also built by refining the things that matter the most and are already there. Hooray!
Only 2 weeks ago, we released Penpot variants. They have become something essential for today's design systems. And yeah, we are working on prototyping through variants, but we have more plans to improve the feature. We released the sign tokens on April, great milestone for us. Right now, Penpot is the only design tool that natively supports the sign tokens. We already hit 5 consecutive releases with improvements and new features for the sign tokens, double the number of tokens, in fact. We are also massively improving the user experience for tokens, building a system that will allow to synchronize different providers and different repositories to your tokens to Penpot. About to add the tokens to the API, so people is going to be able to use them on their plugins, but this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Why is this important is because this is how we bring the engineer and developer worlds into the design process, and we keep building this together.